All right, so I'm gonna start vlogging here, and technically this is my first one, but it's more of a test, really. It's more of an equipment test, a test which I'm failing miserably right now, and mostly because I was planning on shooting this on my 70D and a wider lens, but I may have left my memory card at home for the 70D, so unfortunately it does not share the same type of memory card as my main camera, which is my 1DX Mark II, which, yes, I'm holding right now, and it's quite heavy. So if you're getting into vlogging, adventure vlogging type stuff, 1DX2 is probably not your best option. Anyways, I'm also using the 24 to 70. Nope, I've got the 24 to 105 on here. It's got IS, so hopefully that'll help a little bit, but I'd rather be using my 14 or my 16 right now. But mainly, more importantly, this test is going to be about audio. So I've got the Rode Videomic Pro on top of the 1DX2 right now, and I've also got my lav mic hooked up to my Zoom H6, which also not really convenient for vlogging, so I'm gonna switch that out with a Zoom H1. Sorry for the constant camera shifting angles there. Anyways, all right, so like I said, I'm gonna be focusing mostly on audio for this vlog, just kind of seeing how the lav mic and the Videomic Pro stack up against each other. But I'm definitely gonna try to throw in some interesting visuals. There's one thing I think, as someone who watches other people's vlogs, what I really enjoy, and I feel like I don't see enough, is some good quality visuals thrown into, hopefully they have something interesting to say, but if they have interesting visuals too, then it definitely makes up for it. So I'm gonna try to focus on the visual quality as well as the audio quality, make sure everything is how I would want to see it. So here's some Southwest New Mexico for you. Enjoy. All right, so I'm gonna wrap this vlog up now. I can't feel my arm anymore holding up this monster camera. Hopefully next time I'll have the appropriate vlogging equipment. But if you're a vlogger, let me know what you use. I'm definitely in the market for getting some good stuff. And let me know what you think of the audio. I'll let you know once I get it all edited what I decided to use, whether it was the Rode shotgun mic or the lav mic. And also let me know what you think of the visuals. If you like that kind of style, I'm definitely going to be doing more of it. The rest of my vlogs are going to be geared towards my photo shoots and my adventures and stuff like that. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, definitely subscribe and like and comment, all that good stuff. I really appreciate it, and I definitely look for your input. So until then, I hope you enjoy Southwest New Mexico.